Hey bosses, it's Nina. So I know you really want to figure out how to find out if your Facebook data was stolen by Cambridge Analytica. And good news, Facebook is going to be releasing something starting April 9th to you, and you should start seeing a pop-up at the top of your profile when you log in that tells you either that you were affected, and it'll give you some information, that's the one on the right, or if you weren't affected, you'll be prompted to go to your apps and websites so you can update your settings and see how you're connected to the rest of the internet. Given that that's coming anyway, I thought I'd show you how to actually check to see how you have connected Facebook to the rest of the world. If you've had a Facebook account for years, that means you have probably connected to a lot of different apps and websites. So let me show you exactly how to check on that and how to remove certain. Okay, I've logged into my personal Facebook account and I've went up to the little arrow at the top. I went down to settings and then I clicked on apps and websites, okay? Okay, so now you can see all of the apps that are connected with Facebook. This means I've probably used it to log in or to authenticate myself, but mostly to set up accounts, or somehow you've given permission to these apps. So I'm gonna go through, some of these look okay, but some of them, like, I don't know about what this quiz thing is. I don't know what bands in town. That's fine. Criminal case, I don't play that anymore. So you can just go through, and anything that doesn't look right, go ahead and just remove it. And here's the thing, if you remove it and then you need it later, you just go back and re-add it. So I'm gonna go through and remove things that I don't think I need or I don't think I log into anymore. And after I remove them, and you could also search apps. Notice you can also delete all of the posts, all of the photos or videos. I'm not gonna do that because I think these are fine. Or actually, for these two, it's a quiz and criminal case, so it's not gonna hurt anything. But you can decide whether you're gonna remove your post or if you're just gonna leave them as is, all right? So it's as simple as that. Go through, look at what you have and delete things that really probably don't apply to you or that you're afraid of or that you don't use. I would suggest that you do this every 3 to 6 months. At the same time, change your passwords just to keep your Facebook secure and your Facebook data secure. Now keep in mind that yes, this is kind of, I wouldn't say a band-aid. It's kind of a band-aid, I guess, because your information's already gone if it's already out there. But this is helping, this will help you actually control who can get your data. Facebook is also removing a lot of integrations as well on their own, but I just want to make sure that you knew that you're in control of how you share your Facebook data, whether it was stolen or not. All right, have a great day. Ciao.